Good morning, eighth graders. Welcome. Thanks for being here today. I want to talk through our weekly schedule. So I am in the folder for this week, the 14th through the 20th, and let's talk through our checklist for the week that you should be putting into Notability. All right. First of all, a couple of things. As always, upload this to Notability. Today and Thursday, Cohort A, you are doing some high school registration. I will talk about that in a minute. Cohort B, you are doing a number of different things. You're reading your registration booklet. You're rewatching the videos that you watch in advisory. And then also work on your progress checks. If you have any progress checks that are zeros or missings, I should say, they will turn to zeros on Friday. We are reversing things on Friday. All right. And then remember, this is the big thing. All progress checks that are missing for your map, for your population, and for your culture will turn to zeros at the end of the day, Friday. There is no school on Monday. Do not log in. And then Tuesday of next week, we will begin the population of the island. All right. For this, you will open up your instructions called Population Write-Up. All right, there will be a video on how to do these. And then also on slides 8 and 9 next week, you will be working on your population of where people live on your island, where they don't live, and what are the reasons behind it. In the folder, I will show you very quickly that there is a folder for high school registration. This will have the slides that Mr. Perkins is going to go through, as also will have in here the registration sheet. It should be a pretty good week. All right, week for you as you register for high school. Have a wonderful week in Global.